Hello, today we'll learn how to change a quadratic equation which is given in standard form into the vertex form without completing the square. So this process is a little bit easier than using completing the square method. So first we need to know what is the standard form of a quadratic equation. So standard form of a quadratic equation is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are numbers, but there's a condition that a cannot be equal to a 0. So this is a restriction for our quadratic equation, that our a cannot be equal to 0. Now, what is the vertex form? In vertex form, the equation is written as y is equal to a x minus h whole square plus k. And from here, we get to know the vertex of the parabola. So to get the vertex, we look into this value. So if it is negative h, you flip the sign, you write it as positive h. So our vertex is h and k. So it becomes very easy if we have been given the vertex form. It's easy to figure out the vertex from there. Let us take an example of a quadratic equation in the standard form. So y is equal to 2x square minus 8x plus 5. This is the equation in standard form, and we are going to change it into the vertex form, but again without completing the square. So from here we can figure out the value of h. So h is equal to negative b over 2a. In this quadratic equation, our a is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 8, and c is equal to 5. So we take the values of a, b and c, including their signs. The positives and the negatives have to be included when we are considering the value of a, b and c. Now to find out the value of h is going to be negative of b is negative 8 divided by 2 times a is 2. So this should be equal to 8 over 4, and hence the h value is 2. To get the value of k, we have to take this value of h is 2 and substitute it into our standard form of the equation as x. So we are trying to find the value of k. Y is equal to 2. Instead of x, we'll put our h value, which is 2 square minus 8 times, again x substituted by 2, and then plus 5. So we get y is equal to 2 times 2 square is 4 minus 16 plus 5. So this is 8 minus 16 plus 5. This is negative 8 plus 5. So this should be equal to a negative 3. From here we can see that our h is equal to 2 and k is equal to negative 3. So let us put these values back into the vertex form. Vertex form is y is equal to a x minus h whole square plus k. Our equation with the substitution of h and k becomes a is equal to the a value. If you check out from here, it's 2. So we have 2, x minus h is 2 whole squared plus a negative 3. So our equation becomes 2x minus 2 whole square subtract 3. Here we have our vertex form of the equation. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.